Dear children, happy day to all. Shall we continue the class today, children? Have you all practiced yesterday what I teach, children? Have you all practiced to draw the place value chart? I hope you all practiced. Okay, children, before we start our class, just we warm up ourselves. Are you all ready, children? Ready. Children, let us recall what we seen yesterday. What we seen? Largest number, smallest number, Indian system and international system. So, in Indian system, there are 3 periods. So, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. So, in international system also, there are 3 periods. What are they? Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Good. So, now I am going to show you a slide on Indian system and international system. So, this is a slide of Indian system and international system. See your children, starts from ones. In international system also there is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands. Here also 10,000s. Children, now listen. See here lakhs. Here 100,000. Here 10 lakhs. Here million. Children, can you see the difference here? So, see from the beginning. So, from first up to 5th place, the place values are same. Now, see the 6th place. So, in Indian system, the 6th place is lakhs. In international system, the 6th place is 100,000. So, in Indian system and in international system, up to 5 places are same. It's clear, children, now? Yes. So, up to 5 places in Indian system and in international system, it's same. It is differ from 6th place. I hope you all understood this, children. Now, I am going to show you how to place beads on the abacus for 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number. Children, this is a model of abacus. Now, I am going to show you how to place beads on the abacus. First, we will see for 5-digit number. Children, listen. Children, this is 5-digit number. Before we place beads on the abacus, first we place comma. So, listen, children. Now, say the place of the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So, 5-digit number ends at 10,000s. So, you already know that up to 5-digit Indian system and international system are same. Okay. So, after the ones period, we have to place comma. Okay, children, listen. So, this is beads. I am going to place these beads on the abacus. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. We need up to 5 places for 5-digit number. So, see what number is there in ones place? 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, In ones place there are 5 beats. Now in tens place there is 4. So I have to place 4 beats in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, now listen. See what number there in hundreds place? 0. So 0, can you place beats for 0? No, we cannot place beats for 0. So we have to leave this place empty. Next we have to go for next place, that is 7. 7 is in thousands place. So we should not place any beats in the hundreds place. Next directly we can go for thousands place. So I am going to place 7 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have placed 7 beats for the thousands place. So 8 is in 10,000s place. So I am going to place 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children listen, now we have placed all the beats on the abacus. So children read this number: 87,045. So like this you can also make a model of abacus and you can practice at home children. So like this we can place beats for 6 digit and 7 digit number. Now we are going to place beats for 6 digit number for both Indian system and international system. Children, here is a 6 digit number. So first we place comma, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh. So now I have placed comma for Indian system. Now how I am saying it is an Indian system? So there is 6 digit number. By identifying the comma, you can say it is an Indian system. So in Indian system, first you will place comma after 3 digit number, next 2 digit number. But in international system, you will be placing comma after 3 number, then after 3 number. That is according to the periods. So first we will see for Indian system. Children listen how I am reading the number. 1,87,045. Now I am going to show you for international system. First I will place comma according to the periods of international system. Now I am going to write same number for international system. 1, 8, 7, 0, 4, 5. Yes. So now I am going to play commas according to the international system. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. There is no number after 100,000. So, no need to place comma. So, listen children, now I am going to say the number 187,045. Now I am going to show this on the abacus. Children, now I am going to show how to place beads for international system. So, first see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So, in ones place there is 5. So, 5 beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens place there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in the hundreds place there is 0. So, no need to place beads for hundreds place because it is 0. Now, we will go for thousands place. So, in thousands place there is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next place there is 8, that is in 10,000s place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, in 100,000s place there is only 1. So, only 1 beads. So, children listen, now I am going to read the number again. So, 187,045. Yes. Children, I hope you all understood how to place beads for 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number for both Indian system and international system. Yes. Now, I am going to teach how to write the numbers in words. So, before we start, just we recall the spellings, few spellings what we have learned last. Children, now I am going to teach how to write the larger number in words. So, before we start, just I will say you a spelling for few numbers where you make mistake. First, 40. Usually, you will make mistake in the spelling of 40. Just children repeat the spelling along with me. F-O-R-T-Y 40. In this, you will be making mistake that you will be writing F-O-U-R. So, children, be clear in that you should not write F-O-U-R. You have to write F-O-R-T-Y 40. Next, 90. So, usually you will be writing N-I-N-T-Y. It's wrong. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. Next, 100. Children, everyone remembering the spelling of 100? Listen, I will say you repeat along with me. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Next, I am going to say the spelling of 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 1000. I say you again. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 1000. Next, lakh. That is 1 lakh. L A K H, lakh, not lake, lakh, L A K H, lakh. Okay children, now we can see how to write the larger number in words. Listen here, I have written 5-digit number. Before we start writing words, first we have to place commas according to the periods. So, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. So, I am going to read the number now. 54,104. So, now I am going to write in word. Fifty-four thousand 104. So, I will say you again 54,104. This is for 5-digit number. Now, I am going to write for 6-digit number. Before writing, we have to place commas. So, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma. So, I am going to read the number 6,30,012. So, I am going to write in word. Children, this is for this Indian system. See, listen, I have placed according to the periods. I have written it for Indian system. So, 6 lakh, you should not write yes, 6 lakh 30,000 and 12. Children, I will say you again 6 lakh 30,000 and 12. So, there is no number in the hundreds place. So, you should not write 100 here. So, you have to write and 12. So, I say you again 6 lakh 30,000 and 12. Now, I am going to write same number for international system. Before we start writing, we have to play commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, Children, don't place comma here because we are writing for international system. So, this is for 100,000. There is no number after that. So, you should not write comma there. So, before I am writing, I will say how to read the number. 630,012. So, here only there will be differ. Remaining one all will be same. 600 and 30,000 and 12. Children, it is clear for you for Indian system and international system. So, whenever you write for words, you have to place commas. If you place comma, it will be easy for you to write in birds. Children, now I have taught how to write the number name for larger number. Now I am going to teach how to write the words in numerals. Listen children, 1 lakh and 5. Children, I have written 1 lakh and 5. Now I am going to say how to write in numeral. So, in lakh period there is 1. There is no words for thousands period. So, I am writing 0. Next, in ones period there is no 100. So, 0. Now, tens place also 0, 5. Now, you can place comma for this. So, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh. So, 1 lakh and 5. It's clear children? So, same method you can follow for international system also. I have written 3,432,156. I have written in international system. So, I am going to teach you how to write in numeral. So, 3,432,156. So, now I am going to place commas. 1, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million. I will read the number again. 3,432,156. Children, now I am going to teach the place value of a number. 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Children, I have written 6-digit number. First, you have to place comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 100,000, comma, lakh. So, now 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place, 5 is in 10,000s place, 4 is in lakhs place. Now, I am going to write the place value of all the number. Now see, 1 is in ones place. So 1. The place value of 1 is 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Next, 2 is in tens place. So 2, the place value of 2 is 10. So 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Next, now 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 into 100. Why I am writing 100? Because 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Next, the place value of 6 is 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000, 6000. Next, place value of 5 is, 5 is in 10,000's place. So 5 into 10,000 is equal to, 5 into 10,000 is equal to 50,000. Next, 4 is in lakhs place. So 4 into lakh. So 4 into 1 lakh is equal to 4 lakh. So I have written place value of all the number. So 1 is in ones place, so 1. 2 is in tens place, so 20. 3 is in hundreds place, so 300. 6 is in thousands place, so 6,000. 5 is in 10,000's place, so 50,000. 4 is in lakhs place, so 4 lakh. So same like this you can. Now let us recall what we have seen in our class today. So we have seen how to write the larger number in words and how to write the larger number in numbers, then place value. Children, now I am going to give you an assignment. Write any 7-digit number and write that 7-digit number in words and write the place value of all the number in a paper. Take a snap and send it to the school WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.